The growing presence of microplastics and persistent chemicals in the human body, particularly in the brain, has raised significant concerns among scientists and health experts. These substances, which originate from plastic waste, industrial pollutants, and everyday household items, have been shown to accumulate at alarming rates. Recent findings suggest that the brain harbors significantly more microplastics than other major organs, a discovery that underscores the urgency of addressing this hidden health crisis. Microplastics, defined as plastic particles measuring less than 5 millimeters in size, permeate nearly every aspect of modern life. They are found in food, drinking water, household items, and even the air we breathe. The accumulation of these plastics in the human body has been well documented, with studies identifying their presence in the bloodstream, lungs, and digestive tract. However, emerging research now suggests that the brain, the most complex and vital organ, absorbs microplastics at an unprecedented rate. The accumulation of plastic particles in the brain surpasses that of the liver and kidneys, organs that are traditionally associated with filtering and detoxifying harmful substances. This discrepancy points to the unique vulnerabilities of neural tissue, which is less capable of expelling foreign substances due to the blood-brain barrier. Compounding the issue is the presence of forever chemicals, a group of synthetic compounds that do not break down easily in the environment or the human body. These chemicals, formerly known as POR and polyfluoroalkyl substances, are widely used in manufacturing, non-stick cookware, food packaging, and water-resistant clothing. Once inside the body, they bind with proteins in the bloodstream, contributing to a range of health concerns, including hormonal disruption, immune system suppression, and organ damage. The combination of microplastics and forever chemicals creates a toxic environment that places immense stress on cellular processes, potentially leading to neurodegenerative diseases, cognitive decline, and other long-term health consequences. While eliminating all exposure to these substances is nearly impossible, there are practical steps that individuals can take to minimize their impact. The first line of defense involves reducing reliance on plastic products. Many common household items, including plastic cutting boards, food storage containers, and water bottles, contribute to daily ingestion of microplastics. Switching to glass or stainless steel alternatives can significantly lower exposure. Similarly, cookware coated with non-stick materials should be replaced with stainless steel or ceramic options, as heating plastic-based materials can release harmful compounds into food. Another critical area of concern is water consumption. Tap water and bottled water often contain measurable amounts of microplastics, making high-quality filtration systems essential for reducing intake. Filters designed to remove fine particulates, such as reverse osmosis or activated carbon systems, are among the most effective at capturing plastic contaminants. Whole-house filtration systems offer an additional layer of protection by ensuring that both drinking and bathing water are free from these harmful substances. Beyond household products and water sources, dietary choices play a pivotal role in mitigating plastic exposure. Certain foods, particularly seafood and sea salt, are known to contain microplastics due to ocean contamination. Opting for sea salt derived from ancient seabeds rather than modern ocean sources can help reduce ingestion of plastic particles. Similarly, minimizing consumption of canned foods can lower exposure to the thin plastic linings used inside metal containers, which degrade over time and leach into food products. In addition to limiting exposure, the body's natural detoxification mechanisms must be supported. The brain has its own waste clearance system, known as the glymphatic system, which functions most effectively during deep sleep. This system plays a crucial role in clearing toxins, including microplastics and chemical pollutants, from neural tissue. Prioritizing high-quality sleep by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, reducing exposure to blue light before bedtime, and creating a dark, cool sleeping environment can enhance the glymphatic system's efficiency. Another powerful method for aiding detoxification is autophagy, the body's process of breaking down and recycling damaged cellular components. Fasting has been shown to trigger autophagy, with research indicating that a fasting period of at least 18 hours can activate this biological cleanup mechanism. Incorporating intermittent fasting into a daily routine may help the body clear accumulated plastic particles and oxidative stressors from tissues. Nutritional support is also essential in combating the oxidative damage caused by microplastics and forever chemicals. Antioxidant-rich foods, such as garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables, provide sulfur-containing compounds that enhance detoxification pathways. Additionally, natural supplements like N-acetylcysteine, milk thistle, and turmeric are known for their ability to support liver function and reduce oxidative stress. These nutrients help counteract the inflammatory effects of plastic exposure while promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. Daily habits and consumer choices significantly influence overall exposure to plastic contaminants. Something as simple as selecting the right coffee filters or avoiding plastic tea bags can make a measurable difference. Many disposable coffee filters contain plastic fibers that leach into hot beverages, whereas certified biodegradable or unbleached paper filters offer a safer alternative. Similarly, tea bags often contain synthetic materials that release microplastics when steeped in hot water. Opting for loose-leaf tea brewed with a stainless steel infuser reduces the risk of ingesting these particles. Another hidden source of microplastic exposure comes from dental hygiene products. Many conventional dental floss brands are coated with synthetic compounds that contain forever chemicals. Choosing floss made from natural fibers or those explicitly labeled free of harmful coatings can reduce this exposure. Personal care products, including certain types of sponges, also contribute to plastic absorption through skin contact. Switching to plastic-free alternatives, such as biodegradable or natural fiber sponges, further reduces overall plastic load in the body. The issue of plastic contamination extends beyond individual health, affecting entire ecosystems. The recycling industry, once viewed as a solution to plastic waste, has proven largely ineffective. Despite public perception, only a small percentage of plastic materials are successfully recycled. The majority of discarded plastics either end up in landfills, are incinerated, or sink to the bottom of oceans, contributing to widespread environmental pollution. Advances in biotechnology offer some hope, as researchers are developing microbes and enzymes capable of breaking down plastic waste. However, until these technologies become commercially viable, reducing personal plastic consumption remains the most effective strategy. Addressing the widespread impact of microplastics and forever chemicals requires a multifaceted approach that includes both individual action and systemic change. While corporations and policymakers bear responsibility for implementing large-scale solutions, informed consumers can take proactive steps to limit exposure and protect long-term health. Avoiding plastic in everyday life, investing in effective water filtration, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, and making strategic dietary choices all contribute to reducing the burden of synthetic pollutants. The health implications of microplastics and forever chemicals are still being explored, but the evidence so far underscores the need for vigilance. The accumulation of these substances in the brain and other organs presents a significant risk that cannot be ignored. By prioritizing prevention and adopting protective lifestyle measures, individuals can take meaningful action to mitigate the harmful effects of plastic pollution. As awareness grows, collective efforts toward reducing plastic dependence and enhancing detoxification will be essential in safeguarding future generations from the hidden dangers of synthetic contaminants. The growing crisis of microplastics and forever chemicals in our bodies, especially in the brain, is a wake-up call. These hidden toxins are everywhere, from our food and water to everyday household items, silently accumulating and impacting our health. But knowledge is power, and small changes can make a big difference. By reducing plastic use, choosing cleaner water sources, supporting detoxification through diet and fasting, and making informed consumer choices, we can take control of our exposure. The time to act is now. If this information was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on protecting your health in a toxic world. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.